Disability ki sector da Thabak Touriba professional Singda Matamga Chunaba Lousing pinabagi pandam da numit nini gi oiba Continuing Rehabilitation Education CRE gi program ama ngasi Houdokkhre. Ali Yabarzong National Institute of Speech and Hearing Disability Regional Center Kolkata na Spastic Society of Manipur ga kutsam naduna sinba 2 days CRE program on community-based rehabilitation and advocacy in the field of disability haina mingthonba thoramado Tagel Dalaiba Sai Regional Center Manipura pangthokhibane. Disability ki sector da Thabak Touriba educator amasung professional chamaromna saruk yaraga pangthokiba tawram aduda Manipur Lainga ki person with disabilities ki state commissioner Waikom Birahari AY JNISD RC Kolkata ki assistant director BN Rao amasung vocational counselor Anupam Das CRC Imphal ki director N Khoibi amadi RCI NEZCC Zone 1 ki chief coordinator Livestream Token Dra Rikina president member Singoina Saryaki Tawramaduga Mari Lainana Livestream Token Riki na Paumi Singda High CRE ki program si Rehabilitation Council of India RCI na approve tawraba rehabilitation professional amasung educator singi oina pangthupani chahi manga leiraga pangthupa program si ki maruiba pandam de disability sector da Thabak Touriba professional Singda Matamga Chunaba Lousing Pinaba khonabani masina disability Singda piba therapy amasung teaching ki thak hena wangkhat hanba ngamgadoribani program si da saruk yariba professional singa si RCI da register tawraba ngaktani Haujikti disability singi rights da akhanaba midyang thamlaga thabak taunare maramaduna RCI Act 1992 ki section 32 gi matungina RCI na sakhanglaba institute gi pass tauduna Central Rehabilitation Registrar ki valid registration paidrabadi disability ga mari lainaba service amata piba yade hariba wafam asigi wangmada thabak taurabadi fine tiba amadi jail da leibagi chairak phauba phangba yai haina Livestream Token Riki na makata na phongdokhi
Hujiksi disability sector si amna right based approach ama changhale akhoi charity model si Houdokkhre ga akhoi under section 13 of the Rehabilitation Council of India Act 1992 sida kai hena state together professional CRR natraba CRR paiba professional makhoi ju sukaramba akhoi CR akhoi RCI na recognize tawraba institution sing sida gi pass out tawraga Central Rehabilitation Register sida registration tawraga aduga valid registration paiba nataba ataina akhoi services sing the therapy khangde education gi matang da khangde sigi services mayam se si piram ba thengnaraga di complaint ke notaraga di makoi se they have very severe punitive action can be taken against them.